Hello lovelies, welcome back again to another DIY video using fleece rod to curl my extension. So I'll be needing a brush and a scissors and of course our extension braid using color 37 and a gray color. Okay, so this is what we'll be doing today. So first of all, we'll be cutting our extension into two equal parts. The essence of the two equal parts is to make it very long. I really want a very long one, so we'll be stretching the extension. So by dragging it, you stretch properly. As you can see, we are done with our stretching. This is looking, the tip is very pencil, and that's exactly how I want it. So we'll be taking one fleece rod, then wrap the extension to the fleece rod. While wrapping, make sure you twist properly to give you that smooth end result. Okay, so you wrap, and the end of the extension you fold your fleece rod to secure it so that it will not unravel. So we do the same to the other side of the extension. You roll it to the fleece rod and secure it at the end of it. So we'll be doing this process to all of the expressions. Okay, which is our extension braid. Alright, so I just want to use this medium to appreciate my subscribers. Thank you so much for my return subscribers, for always tuning in to watch, to comment and to like. Please, if you find this video so helpful, give me a thumbs up. And for those that have not subscribed, please do subscribe after watching this video. God will bless you richly for me in Jesus' name. So we'll be doing repeating it till we are done with all of the expression. Alright, so let's wash every bit of it. So we are done the whole of the expression, which is our extension. So the next step now will be putting it in putting hot water to it to make it look so very smooth and shiny. Okay, you make sure your hot water is very hot. I mean when it's very hot, that it will give you that shining that you want. So I'll be adding this cartoon air conditioner to it. The reason is to make it look so very smooth. You don't want it to look rough after applying the hot water. So we'll apply a little of the air conditioner and you make sure all your extension is well soaked to the hot water, and you will love the outcome. Please do give it a try. If you give this a try, please come back to this video and comment how well or how you really rocked it, because I've been seeing this style, I've been seeing people doing this. I said let me just try it, and the outcome was very great. I really love it. Okay, when you are done soaking the whole extension, you need a towel to dry out the water. Make sure you dry properly. So you can see what I'm doing now before you unravel it. So So we are going to be unraveling the hair from the fleece rod. So this is how it's looking. You can see how smooth and shiny it is. It's looking so beautiful. Wow, I really love it. I love the outcome. I must tell. I'm going to be rocking this on my hair. Wow, it's really beautiful. Can you see this? See how bouncing it is. I must confess, I really love it. I love the outcome. Wow, I really love it. You see, please do give it a try and rock it on your hair or your daughter's hair. This is a DIY, do it yourself, okay? It's not every time you buy the already made one. You can just try something new and you're gonna love it. Thank you all for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.